Welcome to another new construction house hunter video. I'm Teresa, the new construction queen, your go-to real estate agent for all things new construction homes for sale in Locust Grove, Georgia, and the builder incentives. Today, we're going to be touring a
4-bed, 2.5 bath, owner suite on main level home with an upstairs loft.
Now, if you're curious about the mortgage, how much you need to purchase, or the current interest rates and incentives, that's a great reason to get in touch to schedule a one-on-one tour or a one-on-one Zoom convo. Whether it's the home in this video or another one, I've got you covered. What did you think of this home? Comment down below and let me know. Now, even if you're just looking, exploring your options, have questions, it is okay to schedule a tour or even a combo chat about your options. These homes are a lot bigger and better in person, and I'd be happy to give you a new home game plan. In the meantime, here's a few more videos for you to enjoy.